know how tissue fluid is formed? Let's go. So first and foremost, we're talking about the blood capillaries here. You've got an arterial end and you've got a venule end. How interesting. There's a high hydrostatic pressure at the arterial end. What does this mean? This means that water, alongside smaller molecules like glucose and amino acids, are forced into the cells that make up the tissues, okay? And they form tissue fluid. The larger proteins, however, they remain in the capillaries. So at the venule end, since the proteins remain, this reduces the water potential of the blood in the capillaries. Okay, so water is reabsorbed since it moves in via osmosis at the venule end. Okay, so it gets reabsorbed. That's how you reabsorb water. However, let me give you an example of when this doesn't function correctly. There is a condition called kwashiorkor. Okay, bit of a strange name. But what happens? In kwashiorkor, you get a protein deficiency. Okay, you don't have the proteins that remain in the capillaries. So what this means is that water remains in the tissue fluid. Okay, it is not reabsorbed via osmosis since the water potential of the blood is not lowered at the venule end. Hence, you get symptoms such as edema, which is the buildup of fluid in your muscles. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the importance of the regulation of tissue fluid and how it's regulated.